These niggas laughing like it's a joke, but it ain't nothing funny.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm hungry, rub my tummy, and now I don't give a fuck cause I'm all new money. He's a G&G dude, I'm a B&B dude, and you know what you niggas are, you're all new food. And this is looking about lunchtime, you see that? That's my dime. And now I don't give a fuck because it's my time.
Yes.
You know why? Because this my rhyme.
What up?
No ghostwriters, no nothing. Yeah, let's go, Rob.
Yeah.
Hold up, Rob.
Now I'm about to Benny rap, cause he on the Benny man.
Oh, there you go. You're gonna be right here. You're gonna be right here.
I need a Benny hat.
He started over
cause I'm Muslim. I'm in a straight county, but I'm fucking with bloods. Niggas straight Vanny.
Yeah.
Nah, what the fuck? Niggas straight county. Yeah. I'm Hood. Ben Hood. Vanny. Nah, what the fuck? It's riding this bitch. Nah, what the fuck? Yeah, riding this bitch.
It's riding
I'm about
this
to
bitch.
fuck this snitch. Cause she fucking with me. Nah, what the fuck? Yeah, cause she fucking with me.
Hey.
Man, what the fuck? Yeah, she wanna lace my shoes.
What?
Matter of fact, she might eat my food.
Ooh.
Yeah. And I got orange trues. Matter of fact, McDonald's for the menu. Nah, what the fuck? Yeah, it was a sin.